Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 57 year. Here we have a NASCAR Authentics from the 2022 Wave 10. We have William Byron's Axalta Next Gen Throwback to Jeff Gordon's 2007 car. On the back you can get other throwbacks like Cole Custer, Kevin Harvick, Chase Briscoe, Eric Jones, and even regular cars like Joey Logano's Verizon 5G, Alex Bowman's Nashville car, Kyle Larson's Patriotic car, and Ross Chastain's Pitbull car. Let's get William Byron out of his box. So here we have the sticker. So obviously it has the classic yellow number 24, the red flames with the blue background, Axalta, and William Byron's signature. So here we have William Byron's next-gen car. So obviously, Jeff Gordon drove this car in the 2007 paint scheme. Although the red flames and the blue background was there, but now they added these flames right here on the side in 2007. Although these were not there, because this is the Chevy Camaro next-gen. You still have the classic, iconic number 24 that Jeff Gordon has always driven in before he retired. And then Chase Elliott took over, and then William Byron took over. And Axalta is part of the DuPont Connection brand. So, obviously, it does look pretty cool. I think one of the best throwbacks last year. And this year, William Byron does do another Jeff Gordon throwback, but to the 50th anniversary of NASCAR. Now moving on to the 75th anniversary of NASCAR. So you got Axalta, the flames, although the 24 is now moved to the side a little, to the sides. The same top with Axalta on there, Axalta.com. I'll give you a nice 360 view of the car. And that'll conclude today's video. Well guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more episodes will come out soon. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.